Welcome to the Clearly Beneficial podcast, the show where we rip off the Band-Aid and explore the future of healthcare, benefits, and the people driving innovation in the industry. This episode is brought to you by Health Next, the company leading the way in helping employers build enduring cultures of health and well-being, reducing medical cost trends, and increasing organizational performance. To learn more how they can help you, visit healthnext.com.
Welcome to the Clearly Beneficial podcast. I'm Vincent Catalano, your host, and welcome. I'm so excited to launch this. It's been something I've been working on for the last 6 months, and I'm excited to get it into your hands. The reason I decided to do this was I felt like it was time to bring a light to healthcare, health insurance, and everything in the employee benefit space that you may not be hearing otherwise. The audience for this is anyone that consumes healthcare, anybody in a leadership position in finance, HR, the C-suite, small business, enterprises, and everything in between. I hope to touch on any number of topics that pertain to employee benefits, health insurance, and all the things I mentioned, because it's a complicated topic. Most organizations aren't trained in this to the extent that they should be. Everybody relies on a third-party resource, i.e. a broker or a consultant, to help them navigate that process. And it was time to provide some objective knowledge to the market. I was a broker for 22 years and pressed pause on that part of my life a couple of years back and did a little bit of consulting, broadened my knowledge base in the healthcare space by learning things in the area of AI, technology, value-based care, expense reduction, revenue cycle. I mean, a lot of things I've learned in the last couple of years. And as I've gone through this process of learning, it was time to package it up and not only talk about some of these things myself, but also bring in the most amazing lineup of experts to talk to you. I've already got, even though this is my inaugural episode, I've already got 6 episodes recorded, and those will be coming out on a weekly basis. So, and it'll be available on all the major platforms. It'll be on Spotify, Amazon, Apple Podcasts, and others. Those will be audio only, obviously, but then there'll be a segment of video, as we're recording here right now, on YouTube. So you'll be able to catch me on any number of platforms, as well as grab the transcript if you become a paid subscriber on Substack. So I'm also excited to announce that Health Next, one of my partners that I've gotten to know over the last 3 years, which is a company engaged in helping employers develop long-term healthcare strategy and help them execute on it, is my sponsor. I invited them to sponsor the podcast, and they agreed. And they're just a bunch of great people. And their founder and CEO, Dr. Ray Fabius, will be one of my guests here in October. So again, this is something for everyone. I called it Clearly Beneficial because it will benefit you. You will learn something. You'll learn stuff. Once you listen to the podcast, you'll learn stuff and you'll be able to apply it that day. We're going to talk about how to make decisions on this upcoming open enrollment season for you. We're going to talk about healthcare navigation and how to benefit yourself and using the healthcare system and how to advocate for yourself. So we'll be talking about that in other episodes. All this came about, and when the light bulb went off, I was like, wow, this is amazing, because it harkens back to my days as a DJ at a radio station at Skidmore College in Saratoga Springs, New York, college radio, WSPN. And I loved it. I loved those days. And, when you've been doing a career for a long time, you kind of feel, well, am I stuck in that, or do I bust out and do something completely different? And I think that's where I'm at right now, is launching something which to me is fun. I have no taskmaster, so I have nobody to tell me what I can and can't say. And I'm not looking to be controversial. What I am looking to be is educational, kind, uplifting, and give you knowledge that you're actually able to use. I struggle a lot with a lot of what I read on LinkedIn on the daily. Everybody has a baseball bat and is bashing players in the healthcare space, and actually, admittedly, deservedly so. But that said, there are good stories to tell. There are educational stories to help people be better at healthcare and making decisions. And I feel like everybody who's going to listen to this podcast will agree. So stay tuned. This is again for the first introductory bit, and we'll be launching real episodes coming up soon in October, and then launching weekly. So thanks for listening, and look forward to seeing you. And as always, your feedback is welcome, as well as guests. So if you or someone you know is in healthcare or health insurance or employee benefits, and they want to come and be heard, I'm happy to have them as a guest. I'm certainly trying to not have any of my guests pitch anything. This is not a pitching platform. I'm not selling anything. I'm not really even selling myself. I'm looking to educate. So let's start with that, and we'll see how this evolves. And thanks for listening.